All right, so today in this video, we are gonna be shooting with you one of my favorite colors from BMW. This is the Isle of Man green. It is a beautiful color, and this is a beautiful car. This is an M3 competition, and this is my favorite color combo. It's got the green, and it's got the orange seats inside of it. So this is a beautiful car. We've got everything in the booth right now. I wanna shoot this one with you guys and talk a little bit about how BMW does their jobs and why they are top of the line. So we've got this one in here now, and of course we are painting this one apart. You guys know how I like to do it. That way we do not have the vehicle, even in the spray booth, we do not have to worry about blowing overspray on any of the vehicle. And you get a nicer job because you're able to paint everything off the vehicle and then it goes back on and you have a nice undetectable repair. So this is one of my favorite color combos as well as my favorite vehicles from BMW. And when you're working on these vehicles, you can definitely tell the quality that goes into them when they're working on them. There's a lot more involved in building them as far as the body man goes and with the paint work. So if you've ever opened up a jam on a BMW, you would notice the paint work inside the jams is exactly like the outside. So you guys have seen in some of the past videos how these regular car manufacturers are really skimping inside the jams. They're not even putting paint on them. And they're almost, some of them are even satin, not with BMW. They're putting full clear on them. So when you do these jobs, you have to take that into consideration. That way you can duplicate those parts that are gonna be going back on that vehicle and it will look like an undetectable repair. So let's go ahead, get this thing cleaned up and we'll start shooting it. All right, so you guys seen that we've cleaned the vehicle, we've blown it off, and we've also went over it with our static gun. That is a gun that is designed to stop the static charge on those panels, and we're trying to duplicate everything that we can to get the nicest outcome. When these cars are done at the factory, they go to very high measures to make sure that that vehicle is completely sterile, and there's a lot that goes into it. So we have to try to do our best in order to get that same outcome, but it's a lot harder because we do not have that environment that is very sterile like they do at the factory. So you want to take as many precautions as you can to get that nice outcome. That way later on, you do not have to do as much polishing to get that job to look the way that it needs to. So let's get in there and apply our sealer. All right, so that one calls for L01 for the sealer. To you guys out there that are not familiar with painting, that is a sealer that does stick to the factory e-coat without sanding it. So if you did have a brand new part that didn't need to be denibbed, because a lot of times they do come with dirt or some type of damage on the panel, you can actually paint right over that factory e-coat because of the chemical bond from that sealer. So it's a very good product that allows that paint to really adhere better. I'm not the type of painter that likes to move strictly into his base coat, because I don't think you get that bond like you do once you seal that part, put down your color, and then sandwich it together with your clear coat. So we're gonna go in there in a minute, we're gonna tack off our sealer, and then we're gonna apply the base coat. All right, so we've got our base on there and we have full coverage. You see we turn the lights off and check for that. With the lights off, you're gonna be able to see that a lot better, because with the lights on in the spray booth, sometimes it can trick you. So turn off your lights and then check for coverage, check your blends, check your metallic orientation, and you should be good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and let that flash off now, and then we'll go in there and hit it with our clear. So you can't deny that is a beautiful color from BMW. If you're a fan of the greens, I know a lot of people aren't a big fan of green, but I am. So that thing came out nice and clean. We did put 2 coats on the inside of the hood as well as the outside. That way it's gonna match. Once it goes back on and you open up that hood, there'll be no sign that we repaired that vehicle. And that's what we're looking for at this shop, because we are a BMW certified shop. So we have a standard that we're gonna be doing here at this shop, and that is what BMW wants. And that way this job can go back to the customer and they can be very happy with it. So I hope you guys got something out of this video. If you're a fan of the greens, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on the next one.